The world is facing an unprecedented crisis. Millions of people are fleeing their homes. They are driven by war, persecution and violence. These are the refugees, the dispossessed, adrift in a sea of uncertainty. By mid-2024, their numbers swelled to 43.7 million, each a story of loss and longing. Behind these staggering numbers are individuals, families and communities torn apart. They carry with them the invisible scars of displacement, the yearning for a place to call home. The stories of refugees are stories of resilience, of the indomitable human spirit. They are a testament to the enduring belief in a brighter future, even when the present is shrouded in darkness. Their journeys are fraught with danger, their destinations uncertain, yet they persevere, driven by hope and the primal instinct to survive. These are not just numbers on a page. These are human lives, each one precious, each one deserving of dignity and compassion. Their plight is a shared responsibility, the call to action for all of humanity. Farishta Shams, a young woman with eyes as old as the Afghan hills, knows this story well. Her journey began in Kabul, a city echoing with the ghosts of laughter and the chilling silence of fear. When conflict engulfed her homeland, she was forced to flee, leaving behind everything she knew and loved. Her journey was arduous, a testament to the human cost of conflict. She navigated treacherous paths, her heart heavy with uncertainty. She endured the despair of refugee camps, the constant fear of the unknown, but Farishta carried within her an unwavering spirit, a belief in the possibility of a brighter future. She found refuge on distant shores in the bustling, diverse heart of California. America, with its promise of freedom and opportunity, became her new home. She rebuilt her life, piecing together fragments of hope and resilience. Farishta's story is not unique. It is a story echoed in the lives of millions of refugees around the world. The journey of a refugee does not end when they reach a safe haven. The scars of displacement run deep, often invisible to the naked eye. The loss of home, loved ones, and identity leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Many refugees have witnessed unimaginable horrors, their memories haunted by the specters of war and persecution. Children, the most vulnerable victims of displacement, often carry the heaviest burdens. They are robbed of their childhoods, their innocence shattered by the brutal realities of conflict. The trauma they endure can have long-lasting consequences, impacting their physical, emotional, and mental well-being. The challenges faced by refugees are multifaceted and complex. They grapple with language barriers, cultural differences, and the struggle to rebuild their lives in unfamiliar surroundings. They face discrimination, prejudice, and the constant fear of being uprooted once more. Section 4. The winds of conflict, sowing the seeds of displacement. The global refugee crisis is not a natural disaster, it is a man-made catastrophe fueled by conflict, persecution, and the erosion of human rights. The winds of war blowing across continents sow the seeds of displacement, uprooting millions from their homes. In Sudan, brutal conflict has forced millions to flee, seeking safety in neighboring countries already grappling with their own challenges. The ongoing war in Ukraine, a stark reminder of the fragility of peace, has resulted in the largest refugee crisis in Europe since World War II. These conflicts, driven by political instability, ethnic tensions, and the insatiable hunger for power, have devastating consequences for civilian populations. They are a stark reminder of the urgent need for peaceful resolutions, for diplomacy and dialogue to prevail over violence and destruction. The international community has a moral imperative to address the root causes of displacement, to work towards a world where peace and security prevail. Section 5. Guardians on the Path to Hope. In the face of such immense suffering, it is easy to feel overwhelmed, to succumb to despair. Yet, amidst the darkness, there are glimmers of hope. Humanitarian organizations like Beacons of Light are working tirelessly to provide aid, comfort, and protection to refugees around the world. They are the guardians on the path to hope, offering a lifeline to those in desperate need. These organizations provide food, shelter, medical care, and education, striving to restore dignity and hope to those who have lost so much. They work tirelessly to reunite families separated by conflict, to heal the wounds of trauma, and to empower refugees to rebuild their lives. Their efforts are a testament to the power of human compassion, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope. The global refugee crisis is a complex and multifaceted challenge, one that demands a collective response.